So welcome back to Quick Pixel, and today we are going to learn how to change the color of an object like this car. So let's get into it. So for this tutorial I'm using the image of this car. If you want to use the same image I'm using, the image link will be in the description. So all you have to do is just click on this adjustment icon and go to hue and saturation and just click on this icon. And I'm going to click on this red area. So it will select all the red colors in this image. So I'm just gonna move the slider. As you can see, the color is changing, but it is not very accurate. As you can see, the floor is changing and the guy in the background is changing as well. So you can just play with this slider to fix the selection. So I'm gonna do something like this. And as you can see, it has already fixed our image. The floor is not bluish anymore. But let me tell you what I usually do to make this selection more accurate. So I'm just gonna delete the hue saturation layer. Now just hit Ctrl J on your keyboard and just go to this magic wand tool and select subject. And just click on this mask. So it will just select the car, and as you can see, the floor and the guy is not selected. You can make a more accurate selection if you want with the pen tool. So just repeat the same steps. I'm gonna create a hue saturation layer, clip it, and just repeat the same steps. As you can see, as we change the colors, it's not affecting the floor because it's only selecting the area of this selection that we made. So that was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.